Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars AST V3 Air textile jacket. Okay, the all-new Alpinestars AST V3 Air jacket retails for $249.99. As of the time we're shooting this, please understand we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. What size do you want?
Yeah, I am 5'11", 175 pounds with a 39.5-inch chest. This is a medium. I love the fit as it is. If I just put a back protector in it, it's going to be the perfect size for me. If I do want to jump up and maybe get an Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Plasma, I'm going to need a large, as I would say. Definitely, I can't really say it's a super sporty fitting jacket. It's not relaxed fit. I'm just going to say it's more of a standard fit.
Somewhere right in the middle, isn't it?
Right in the middle.
In the middle of a relaxed, and like that other jacket, the first jacket that we did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely a little sporty, but this one, like,
sportier.
Very movable.
Yeah, it's a good looking coat.
Yeah, it is pretty sweet.
I'm sure that wears very light.
Yeah, sure does.
Right? What does it come with inside? It comes with a level 1 certified armor in the shoulder.
External kind of puck here.
Yeah, no, 100% external shoulder slider. It's kind of stitched under. I love what they did with the logo there. It's raised up a little bit. Looks great. Speaking of that, it's the little touches, man. Yeah, he's got some B-roll. He's going to show you.
Figure it out, yeah, but it looks pretty cool.
Like the logo, you can see it kind of change colors as you move it around.
Yeah.
Right? There's obviously, like, the edges of it are a different color, like a red color.
Yeah.
I just think it looks cool. You see a little bit of that here, too. And you know what? Oh, my. You see it on the shoulders, too.
Yeah.
Alpinestars, they do the big things right, obviously. Been around forever, make great stuff.
That's the truth.
Then you get to these fine little details.
Yeah, it's awesome. And that's what's different. Like, that's how they're different from everybody else, I feel like. It's more of like a small, that extra 5% kind of goes a long way for certain people.
And they're the big dogs.
Big dog.
Yeah, it's the... Like when you go, we're at the MotoGP, we're Alpinestars guests down at COTA this year. Fortunate enough, I know the owner, Gabriele. He's a great guy. Let me borrow his motorcycle once. Fantastic, right? This guy is so into his products, but like that guy right now is one of the biggest deals in the entire industry. That's how big this brand is.
Yeah, of course, it's awesome.
And when you see how involved he is personally too with his products and how proud he is of them,
yeah,
that to me adds like even another layer to everything that they do.
He's not an average CEO like Jeff Bezos on his yacht.
Oh, he's a hands-on dude.
With 20-year-old girls. He is hands-on, always there at all the MotoGP events and some of the Supercross events too, from what I've seen. He's
and
always
what about
there.
when you did the R7 launch?
I was there when I did an Alpinestars, the new SuperTech R7 launch. He was out there in California.
Did he ride?
And he showed up on a motorcycle and he rode out on the racetrack. So he did it all.
100%. Jeff Bezos ain't doing that.
Hell no.
Okay, so this jacket obviously is meant for hot weather riding.
Yep.
Okay, with level 1 armor, shoulders, elbows.
It's going to flow a lot of air.
It's got a Velcro patch up here in the front. It'll accept the Alpinestars one-piece chest armor right there. Velcro is right in. Hold it in place if you want to add that. It has pockets in the back that'll accept either the standard length or extra full length Alpinestars back protector inserts. We recommend at a minimum you get that and put that in there because there's nothing there.
And it goes along. You know, that back protector can go a long way, for sure. Full stop.
Oh, you have to have it.
Have to have it.
Straight up. Like I kind of wish that they just charged more for the jacket and included it, but whatever. I mean, maybe some people would add an airbag under it, so it makes sense to not be doing that. Obviously, pretty sure some of this stuff is reflective here.
Most likely.
Sounds pretty vague, I realize that, but I'm not going to turn off the lights and get a headlight in here, you know what I'm saying? A lot of mesh back here, 2 different types. You got the 3D spacer mesh, the tighter woven mesh. Then you got like this laser-looking perf here in the textile. That looks trick. I'm really stuck on these multicolored Alpinestars logos. Like, that was just sick.
Yeah, it is cool. And I do like how this jacket's a little longer in the butt, per se. I feel like that little bit of extra
Keeps you covered up when you're in a tuck.
Coverage is nice, yeah, for sure. So, like, your butt crack's not hanging out.
Straight up. Yeah, nobody wants to see that.
Nobody wants to see it.
There's a couple of storage pockets. One of the ones on the inside is waterproof. Great place to put your phone or something in case you get caught in the in the wet weather.
Yeah.
Hand warmer style storage zippers.
Yeah.
pockets on the
Yeah.
sides.
This jacket is right for, let's say, 70 degrees and above, maybe 65 degrees and above, and a dude that just wants to ride around. It's almost it's a casual fitting jacket, like I explained. It's a standard fit. It's not really relaxed. It's not really tight and aggressive. I could wear this thing all day.
Yeah, mega airflow.
Yeah, tons of airflow.
If you like what you see so far, you just want a few more details, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new Alpinestars AST V3 Airflow Jacket from the inside out. This is going to come with Nucleon armor, level 1 certified in the shoulder, as well as the elbow and forearm. To complement the the shoulder armor, there's an integrated shoulder slider, right? Cool A-Stars logo over the top of it. It's kind of like 3D. Maybe it's reflective. I don't know. Kind of looks like it might be. Back of the jacket. We've got a combination here of mesh and then perforated textile, right? So abrasion resistant, and I like how they segmented the styling. I mean, it's Alpinestars, right? It's the most beautiful stuff in the industry. Nobody's ever going to challenge that point. Tons of perforation here. You got your mesh, right? Your 3D mesh. You got your tighter woven mesh. You got your perforated textile. Alpinestars logo here. Maybe reflective. I don't know. This, sure, something's reflective. Volume adjustment here at the waist is done with textile and Velcro. I'm sure somebody now is going to be like, dude, you should have been turning the lights off and getting like a headlight and shining it on there and see if it was reflective. Not going to happen. Sleeve of the jacket, shoulder sliders, just a great touch. Looks great, adds a little protection. Perforation here in the bicep area. Little perf down here in the forearm area. A-Stars logo there. God, that almost looks like there's like, can you kind of see that on the camera, Clark? Like, see the other color? Does it look kind of red to you too, like on the edges?
I'm not sure if we can see the bit of red.
Or maybe my eyes are completely failing me now. Whatever. That's what I'm noticing right now. Volume adjustment here in the sleeve is done with Velcro and textile. Nice comfort fabric on the inside. For ventilation, we've got that tighter woven mesh all through the sleeve, comes up into the chest, intersects with that 3D mesh. Good looking Alpinestars logo there. Perforated textile here. Hand warmer style storage pocket on both sides. Pretty good size. I wear 2X gloves, pretty good size pocket. Inside the jacket, your back protector insert. This is it has a pocket. It accepts either the standard or the extended length version. Those are both merchandised in the armor section for Alpinestars on our website. To access the armor in the shoulder and the elbow, or the back protector too. There's a little pocket right here. Slide the back protector in, it goes here. I misspoke there, so that pocket at the bottom is going to be to get to the shoulder and the elbow. Storage pockets. We've got a waterproof storage with a zipper over here on the left side. Let's see if they did it here too. Oh my God. That's a magnet, dude. Saw this in one of the other Alpinestars jackets we did today, and I'm easily impressed. I thought the magnet was just a cool touch here. That's another area where Alpinestars just dominates. All the little things they do the big things right, and then it sprinkle on all the little things, just make a great product. To keep the area between the waist of the pants that you're riding in and the base of the jacket, they got these little loops. They can attach to either belt loops on your pants, or if you're wearing a belt, can feed it through the belt, snap it in place, just helps hold it in place. Little drop tail here in the jacket, a little padding in that. You know, just a little additional protection, a little bit of coverage. 100%, it's not a bad thing. Comfort lined collar. And this one's very reasonably priced, super reasonably priced. As of this time, I think it's $249 retail. I mean, that could change in time, but I swear to God, Clark, that changes colors when you move it around.